Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my January Sacred Space Crate. Let's check it out. There we go. As above, so below. We'll look at this last. January. I love this. This is the moon calendar with all the information of some astrological workings, particularly the moon in each of the things. And it looks like Uranus grows direct, so that's pretty cool. And navy blue. Let's check it out. Okay, hold on, I'll start here. Certificate of Authenticity. This certificate verifies the authenticity of this Campo de Cielo meteorite. It's been purchased from Argentina by Dancing Bear from a member of the International Meteorite Collectors. Cool. Let me see. I love celestial themed boxes. Oh, look at you, pretty. So pretty. Look at that piece of stardust or star rock. Amazing. I love it. Okay. Let's oh god, my 5-year-old just said, god damn it. Not sure what's wrong. Oh, beautiful. Oh, pretty. It's wings. I love it. This is pretty cool. I actually think, I'm not sure how I will use that. I mean, it looks like you could put a candle. You could probably even put like a succulent or an air plant or small offerings. Ooh, so many pretties in here. Oh, got a bed. Oh, yes. A room. Aw, pretty. Trying to get it out of this bed moss. Ah, look at that. Beautiful. Lovely. Full moon offering. Looks like jasmine and rose and probably a couple other things. Let's give her a sniff. Smells nice. Smells pretty. Ooh, handmade organic salve. Cayenne. Very cool. Ooh, and it's red. I love these. These are great. Pretty. Is it opalite? Sure looks like it. I love opalite. Ooh, wow. Drawing down the moon. Cool. Very pretty. Hyaluronic acid facial serum. Cool. Ouch. I'm gonna cut myself. There we go. And then, ooh, interesting. What's it got in it? I'll read about it. Ooh, I don't know. Is it celestite or solite, or I don't know. Maybe it's celestite. I'm unsure. Let's see. It's heavy. Awesome. Awesome. Beautiful. I absolutely love it. And it's got a little stand. So cool. Alright, let's check this out. As above, so below. This phrase comes from the beginning of the Emerald Tablet and embraces the entire system of tradition and modern magic, which was inscribed upon the tablet in cryptic wording by Hermes Trismegistus. The significance of this phrase is that it is believed to hold the key to all mysteries. All systems of magic are claimed to function by this formula. That which is above is the same as that which is below. Macrocosmos is the same as microcosmos. Oh, macrocosmos is the same as microcosmos. The universe is the same as God. God is the same as man. Man is the same as the cell. The cell is the same as the atom. And the atom is the same, and so on and so on, ad infinitum. Although this statement is controversial and has a slightly different meaning to some, it is very important to understand how it affects you in your spiritual practice. It means that everything is connected. We are all connected to the heavens and the earth because we are all one energy, or as most of us witches believe, we are all an individual energy that is all connected. If this wasn't true, then how would objects from space land on Earth? How would a reincarnation or an afterlife even be possible? Regardless of how you believe that we are connected, the importance of this statement is that we are all connected, which is how we can channel our other energies in magic. When we are casting a spell, our skillful work ascends from earth to heaven and descends to earth again, and receives the power of the superiors and of the inferiors. As a practicing earth witch, I tend to spend the majority of my time connecting with the energies of the earth. At times, I need to be reminded that in order to practice successfully, I need to stay connected to the universe as well. This box was curated with a lot of careful thought and planning in order to offer items that will help connect you with the universal energies. Universe etched crystal ball with stand. This beautiful clear crystal ball was custom made with the universe etched into it, so that when you're using it, you are connecting mentally with messages from the universe. Crystal balls are used for scrying and gazing because they are uniform all around and form a spherical lens. Because of this shape, any clear ball, such as quartz crystals or glass, will have a curvature that bends the rays of light to form a focal point. Since crystal balls have no edge like traditional lenses do, the focal point is omnidirectional. This makes it ideal for gazing. No matter which way the crystal ball is positioned, it is perfect for looking deep within. The practice of crystal ball gazing is very, very simple, but the perfection of the practice is very hard. It requires discipline in the first instance, discipline over the noise of the conscious mind, and patience of the self, and the loss of all expectation. When you feel ready to begin, then follow this simple exercise. And she goes on to explain that. Meteorite and floating frame. Meteorite crystal is a rare yet powerful crystal which originates from outer space. This meteorite represents emotional balance and support, extraterrestrial awareness, physical healing, and spiritual growth. Meteorite crystal is associated with the third eye, earth star, soul star, base root, and crown chakras. It carries very rare and unique properties that are even treated as sacred in some religions. If you often experience intense stress, use meteorite crystal to relieve stress and free your mind of any mental burden. The use of meteorite crystal is often also very common because of its ability to lessen the chaos in your life and bring stability of all sorts in it. If you are someone who easily loses focus and has a very short attention span, regularly using meteorite crystal can help you become more focused and enhance your concentration. Furthermore, meteorite crystal is also beneficial for mental growth. The crystal can also speed up the recovery of physical injuries. You can also become a more courageous and bolder person by keeping this crystal with yourself, as it can help remove your fears, including the worst of your phobias. Cool. Drawing down the moon candle. It was crafted on the December full moon with the intention of drawing down the energy and light of the moon to its user. It has jasmine, frankincense, and sandalwood, jasmine flowers, rosebuds, and lavenders, and moonstones. And then it talks about drawing down the moon. Full moon offering blend. Jasmine, rosebuds, lavender. I love that mix. It smells good. Full moon cone incense. Ooh, there's cone incense in here somewhere. Let me find it. Oh, there they are. Feather cone incense burner. Oh, our candle holder. Moonstone bracelet. Oh, moonstone. It's a woman's stone associated with the mother's goddess, connected to the moon and intuition. It can be also called water opal, fish eye, and wolf's eye. Sacred in India, only permitted to be displayed on a yellow cloth. Very cool. Sun and Moon Talisman Pendant Necklace. It's talking about the polarity. The sun is masculine, the moon is feminine. Okay. Oh, it's sodalite. It's excellent for psychic development and meditation. Other stones are known to simply open up the inner doorway to the universal psychic plane, sometimes overwhelming one's psyche. Sodalite opens this doorway gently, easing it open, allowing one to accept and absorb the knowledge without being overwhelmed, thus allowing one to begin working with the new information and abilities easier than if it came upon suddenly. It brings order and calmness to the mind, encourages rational thought, objectivity, truth, and intuition, along with verbalization of feelings. Brings emotional balance and calms panic attacks, enhances self-esteem, self-acceptance, and self-trust. Balances the metabolism, boosts the immune system, and overcomes calcium deficiencies. Combats radiation damage by soaking up electromagnetic smog. Sodalite treats the throat, vocal cords, larynx, and helps with hoarseness and digestive disorders. It cools fevers, lowers blood pressure, and stimulates the absorption of body fluids. Sodalite can also help to prevent insomnia. Cayenne salve. Cayenne salve has long been a staple in every witch's apothecary or cabinet since the beginning of natural healing. I once heard a joke that you know your mom is a witch if she believes cayenne heals everything. This is so true. Cayenne is famous for reducing many types of pain. It works by affecting your nervous system. Substance P is a neurotransmitter that relays information and results in what we call pain. Astounding. An herbal pain reliever. It will stop bleeding from a cut or wound, stop itching from an insect bite, soothe sore joints or muscles, used to treat diabetic neuropathy, menstrual cramps, or minor burns. If you master only one herb in your life, master cayenne pepper. Anti-aging hyaluronic facial serum. If you want plumper, smoother skin with less fine lines and chronic dry patches, there's only one skincare ingredient you truly need: hyaluronic acid. It's a substance found naturally in your skin that holds water and helps keep it hydrated and plump. The molecule holds 1,000 times its weight in water to not only retain all that moisture in your skin, but also prevent all that moisture from evaporating into the air. And like collagen, this decreases as we age. So it's rose water, hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and Lasudo liquid SF, salicylate free. It's an all-natural antimicrobial derivative from radish root as a preservative. Use on clean, damp skin under your moisturizer. And the moon in the zodiac calendar. The next box is Aphrodite. Very cool. I love it. I always love celestial boxes. I've got a little cold brew in here. I didn't even realize until just now. Pardon me. Beautiful box. I love this box. I really like this. And I bought a little shelf for Christmas that will fit this size jar, so I can kind of uniformly make my herbs fit this jar. I actually don't have very much sodalite, so that's pretty helpful. I thought this was opalite. It looks like opalite, but it's moonstone. And I really, really like it. It's one of my favorite stones. So I like that. And I don't have one of these, so that's really cool. I love these. I absolutely love these, and I'm collecting these. I have just the cute little Wildcrafting medicine bag to put it in. This is very cool. I love this. I don't know if I'm going to use it for candles. I might use it as an offering. These are very cool. Love it. Very interesting. I'm going to try it out. This is very cool. This is going to go up on my high shelf though, so my son doesn't get into it. And this beauty. Oh, it's heavy. Beautiful. So pretty. I have a crystal ball shelf and it's totally going up there with them. I love them. They're really, really pretty. I'm going to keep it covered though. I want to protect it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful day. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. Inching up on that 900 subscriber giveaway. So that ought to be cool. Have some cool prizes. Lots of boxes to come. So, love you guys. Have a good night. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.